welcome back to Karthik's Concepts of Learning. This is Karthikeya.
And today we are going to do a science experiment. We all know, comparing to the normal cloths, diapers absorb large amounts of water.
What are diapers made up of? Let's experiment to find out.
What all we need for this experiment is the 5 cups, water,
5 cups.
and colors. Apart from this, we need sodium polyacrylate.
In each cup, add and mix 50 ml of water. Add 2 drops red color in cup 1. Add 1 drop red color. Add 1 drop yellow color in cup 2. Drops yellow color in cup 3. Add 1 drop yellow color. Add 1 drop blue color in cup 4. Add 2 drops blue color in cup 5. Mix with stirring stick. Each cup add 1 spoon sodium polyacrylate.
Can you see? The powder absorbed all the water. Okay, the science behind this is sodium polyacrylate is a super absorbent polymer. Okay, polymers are long chains of the same molecule, so they will join together. So baby diapers contain granules of sodium polyacrylate inside them. This is how diapers work. Okay, let's check. So this is how it is.